Pro tips.
And that's, if you have a piece of advice to give to somebody buying their first laundromat, what would you tell them?
Go there late at night so you're comfortable that you know that that's the laundry you want to own.
Mm-hmm.
Move very slowly and methodically. In your analysis and investigations, don't give up when it doesn't fly right the first time, because it's not going to fly right the first time. Trust the process with your broker. And realize that once you get to escrow, the escrow officer rules. The broker, the seller, and the buyer have no say. Because the escrow officer has her own set of rules that she has to work by.
Mm-hmm.
And she's only asking for information in order to close that escrow. Don't open escrow unless you have a deal, unless you have verified several things. Escrow, in my estimation, is good for three things. You're legally good to transfer the business. You're going to get a bill of sale. You need an assignment of lease, and you got your financing. Mm-hmm. And those are the only three things that I look at when I talk to my clients about what escrow means. The rest of it, you get to do collections. You get to learn about the business. You get to be trained on it. But that's all what the escrow officer does. And trust in the fact that that's the process. There is no control after once it gets to escrow. It's out of our hands.
Yeah.
And most people don't understand that. They think you can manipulate something. And it's like, she's got her own rules. That's what they're for. They're a neutral party.
Yeah. Awesome. Awesome pro tips. I think those are great things for newbies to be thinking of. Again, a lot of unique tips there that we haven't heard before on the podcast. So really, really good stuff. And we haven't really talked about escrow at all, I don't think, on the podcast. So, I mean, at least bringing that up, I appreciate that. And maybe we can do something later on down the line talking about escrow too.